Hey, this is Tuhin here and welcome to my online tutorial for watercolor painting. So today I'm not going to be too specific with the painting and I'm going to demonstrate how to finish an illustration quickly with very minimal and subtle details. So I've drawn a top view of a human figure today with the clothes spread around her in a circle. So I'm starting off here with a flat brush and I'm going to start adding colors randomly and mix them together first. Starting off with the lighter colors. Basically, I'm using very diluted mixes of each and every color that I'm using. Because however random they are, they should mix well properly first. I always try to take one base color with which I keep adding shades onto it. I'm just randomly dropping off colors and mixing them with plain water. So I'm doing the darker colors opposite to the area of the light colors. And as you can see, I have used a mix of Prussian blue, crimson red and Gambo's hue. I generally kind of use these tones for most of my paintings. I'm leaving the highlights onto the human figure. So as you can see here, the colors are flowing in different directions, but I'm avoiding brushing the paper too much to make them stay in place. So while the base wash is still wet, I'm adding the splashes of darker colors. I'm kind of spraying them on the sheet. So these drops added to the semi-wet sheet are going to give me a good texture when they dry out. Okay, so our base wash has dried now and we can start adding the final details. So the light source automatically seems to be on the right hand top corner because I had added the lighter colors there. So I'm going to start off with a round tip brush of different sizes. Now the trick I'm using here is to add the shadows. So this is what kind of gives my human figure a boundary. So I'm really kind of adding these details in very few places because I kind of don't want to cloud the base wash here with darker colors. So wherever I don't need a hard edge, I'm rinsing it with plain water. And I've shown the folds of the clothes here with few strokes. I'm not going into the finer details anymore and I'm keeping the washes as it is. And in the end I am taking a very dry brush and adding a dark color onto the boundary of the cloth. Even though the colors are out of the boundary, I'm gonna leave it like that because that is what is going to add beauty to the whole picture. So that's where I'm gonna leave it and let it dry. So always kind of use the shadows to depict a boundary of anything that you're drawing, instead of getting into every edge detail. So I hope you learned a few more tricks about doing watercolor. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more of my classes.